The conflict cycle, developed by the late Dr. Nicholas Long, helps us understand how perceptions, thoughts, and feelings influence our behavior. Our behaviors then influence the behaviors of others, and so the cycle goes. Good news is we can break this cycle and not just get caught up in it. Prevention is our primary plan for decreasing the likelihood of conflict, and it starts with us. By knowing our triggers and how to best manage ourselves, we can avoid being reactive and instead respond in ways that are logical and appropriate to the situation. Remember, our goal is to keep big emotions and potentially bigger behaviors as small as possible. We further prevent conflicts by pre-teaching routines and procedures and helping students learn and use calm-down strategies. It is critical to have an alternative plan for the rest of the students present so they know what is expected of them when conflict arises. These strategies and skills are best learned at neutral times. It has been said that a fence at the top of a cliff is better than an ambulance at the bottom, though sometimes our best efforts in prevention still result in conflict. Let's take Sophia, for example. Sophia struggles with math and because of this is stressed. This stressful event gives her feelings of frustration, and because she's frustrated, she sits at the desk and doesn't work. She is asked why she isn't working. This question escalates and continues the conflict cycle. Sophia is now feeling embarrassed, yells, and slams her book closed. Other students in the room start to laugh. The conflict continues to expand. When she is laughed at, she starts to feel angry, leaves her desk area, yells, and begins to throw books on the floor. Though the process of escalation may look different from student to student, we can see how one incident can simply spiral out of control and result in more behavioral challenges. We can disrupt this dynamic, though, when we are aware of our own body language and tone of voice. By managing these quality components, we model regulation and increase the likelihood that students will mirror our calm behavior. It is important to also use praise to point out bright spots within the student's behavior. With Sophia, is it possible that we could acknowledge her sitting quietly or perhaps having her book open to the assignment? Power struggles can easily prevail, but with prior prevention, such as clear expectations, planned and practiced strategies, and well-managed responses from adults, we can break the conflict cycle.